farm too. Last night we finished cutting all the spring barley. That's all in the shed. It's adjuster. I also had to take 2 load back to the home farm to fit it in that shed. But I'm going to sweep the other shed out there now, or part of the other shed out there now, because we'll be onto some wheat. So if I open this shed up, here's a spring barley, if you can see it. It's a little bit dark. I'll open the roller door up because I need to put some fans in here, just to give it, just to blow it a bit. We did cut some at sort of 16 moisture when we first started around the headlands where it was a bit green, and then blended that in with some 13 and some 12%. But so that shed's full. Gonna put some fans in there in a bit after I've unloaded that trailer. Now, swept a bit last night, sweep a bit more out of this shed. These walls, I can't load up a lot of grain against these walls because they're only sort of dodgy brick. I'll show you, there's one here. Especially with the spring barley that side, I left four rows of bricks because I didn't want to stack up too much against it. This is what the brick is. Absolutely hollow. They're not that great. Ideally it needs some grain walling, proper grain, concrete grain walling, so you think the amount of pressure that goes on them with the grain against it, not ideal, but there you go. It's better than tipping it outside, isn't it? So yeah, sweep a bit more of this out, plug the elevator in, and then start unloading some wheat in here. The wheat would go back to down the home farm, but we've sold 2 load forward, so we're going to put 2 fields down here. That was one after sugar beet, which I've showed you, and one after potatoes. That should fit in here, and then we shall load the 2 load out over that. Anything left, we'll take it back. Yeah. My bit of combine driving done for the year. Good afternoon, it is now 20 past 3 and we are filling the shed up nicely. That rhymed, yeah, starting a new wrap up. Anyway, wheat, 13.5% moisture, absolutely lovely job. I'm going to put my GoPro on charge for an hour or so we'll rejoin you there.
rookie mistake. I left the beacons on. I can't believe how dry it is. I mean, I can't believe like the cracks in the fields and the tram lines. It's ridiculous. You'd lose your phone down one of them. That'd be a funny insurance claim, wouldn't it? Hello, yes. I've lost my phone down a crack. Good morning. It's the next day now. We got finished over at farm 2, the 2 fields of wheat over there, and that's all in the shed. Marvellous how we've squeezed it in there with the elevator, but we moved the elevator this morning, we moved the irrigator this morning, we've swept the shed out over at the home farm, and now we're just starting some more wheat on the black fen soil on a field that was after potatoes that you see me drill, I think, in one of my videos with the Lemkin. So we're on that. Should be a good crop. We shall see. I don't know whether I've told you. I'm mixing up my words a lot recently. Probably because I'm tired. Anyway, me and Dad, we bought these pretty cool radios. 80 quid for 4. And we normally just phone up. We've been using phones for God knows how long. Sounds like we're ancient, doesn't it? We've been using phones for God knows how long. But I thought, right, we're going to try these because what's the point of keep, you know, you got to unlock your phone and you keep ringing like that. It's just a lot of hassle. Bought these radios for 80 quid. The range is 3 kilometres, which is mad. You charge them up at night, they last all day, and the quality, absolutely quality. And there they are. I'll if anybody wants any, I'll probably end up putting the link. They're only on Amazon. Just put in walkie-talkies and they'll come up. But they're absolutely, you know, I can't get around how good they are at the moment anyway. But yeah, let me know what you use. Do you use CBs, walkie-talkies, or do you just use the old-fashioned hand signals? Trailer over there. Yeah, do you use that? Let me know. Put it in the comments. Anyway, I'm going to leave the video here because I can't remember how much I've filmed because I keep doing bits every day, and it's a job to get the videos out and edit them when you're busy, but I'll do as best I can for you guys. I appreciate the likes, the comments, the subscribers, and yeah, I'll film when I can, edit when I can, and get them uploaded when I can. But really do appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you later. We'll see you for another one. I fingers crossed I'm going to get some drone footage in at some point. There's a lot more combine yet to do, so don't panic. We'll catch you later.